Alright, Southwest Detroit. Look at this mural. That is so cool. There goes the vet office that I took Buddy to. This is where I grew up, people. Southwest Detroit. Yep, you can see downtown. I'm gonna go see the Christmas tree. Yeah, try to at least. It's 4:29, so it's not exactly dark yet. There's Slow's Barbecue that I've never been to yet. There's another mural. Motor City Wine. Interesting. Better go through it, Tina. Here's Corktown. Another mural. Look at that. That's pretty cool. And now it's Tiger Stadium. Now it's the Detroit Police Athletic League. Look at the apartment complex that got built up. Wow. That's amazing. Yeah. Another mural. Oh, they're putting a lot of them up here. I heard the one guy that did some of them got arrested. They wanted to charge him with destruction of property. Still got the brick in here. It's downtown. We are downtown now. We are definitely downtown. Picking up. There goes the AT&T building. That's where you had to go to pay your AT&T home bill. Rosa Parks Transit Center. More murals. I've seen these. I've videotaped these before. They're getting it really pretty down here now. Jamie Foxx has a mural. Huh. Check that out. That's Jamie Foxx. Wow. Jamie Foxx is on a building. What the heck? There goes our famous Coney Islands, Lafayette, and the American Coney Island. Oh, because he's advertising them? Yeah. He's on the building. Gotta find somewhere to park. Or I'm just gonna do a drive-by. Looks like Jamie Foxx. Might not be Jamie Foxx. Yeah, it might not be Jamie Foxx, Tina, but it sure does look like it. There's a lot of people out. They're all wearing masks, walking. We're on Woodward in Michigan. And they're all freezing to death because they ain't got no warm coats on. That's crazy. Oh. You can see the top of the tree. There it is. Oh, I gotta go.
Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my
Look at that statue. Wow, that looks pretty cool.
wanna hang out with my
Oh
friends
my
and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter if it's
I
Christmas
lived down here and never
and I can promise Santa's
There's the
coming
tree.
to visit.
keep this far apart. There's
He
the tree.
wouldn't miss this in Christmas.
I guess I can scoot up.
Oh, and the sunset
See
is
where I can-
just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, that's what we do.
Yeah, I think I parked over here last time.
Good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is
Without having to walk 20 miles.
It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year, I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary.
It's cold.
It's Christmas in my heart. Here we go.
Great town. Yeah, that's all Christmas. Huh.
We're gonna dance. Come on. We're gonna dance, have a good time.
Hudson's. It amazes me that I never got to see the. I probably got to see the Hudson's building, but
Have a good time.
I don't remember.
Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing?
that definitely had to be some kind of like. Oh, of course, it was connected to this train station at one time, but I just love it. It looks so cool. Let's see what we can see. Oh, train station. There's a caboose. Picture. Go ahead, go around me. Since you're in such a hurry. Go around me. All kind of photographs. Do not enter. Oh, they're not even allowing you to go in front. They used to let you go in front. Wow. You're gonna go on runner. Wow. Can't even do what you normally used to be able to do. Maybe Buddy's got to get out and walk and go potty. I'll take him over here. There's so much you won't believe it. There's a train station. Look at that church. Church is really cool. adjust them with wheels. Nice. See the windows. Take him for a little walk and then we're gonna get back in the car. Yeah. Whew. It's cold. It's cold here. Buddy, you just had me tangled on the tree branch.